Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the theme of your presentations on Gamma AI. So let us guide you through it. In the first step, navigate to your presentation on Gamma AI, and what you want to do next is click into theme here at the top to edit it. Let me just close that window here. And here to the right guys, you will see that panel. So you may create a completely new theme or import one, save on your device, or you may go with these suggestions below. You can go with a dark, light, professional, colorful, or for example, select one of these, browse through that list of not templates, but themes, and click into it to apply it to your presentation. So I will go with this one here. Wait for a brief moment, and then the theme will be applied to your entire presentation. There you go. And you can browse through your slides or cards here to the left, and yeah, there you go. As you can see, the theme has been applied basically to the entire presentation. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.